Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for a Teachable account. Alright, so I'm on Teachable right now and I am going to be getting a Teachable account. We are wanting to put our courses up on a separate platform, Teachable, and then integrate it with our website. So first thing I want to do, go to teachable.com, head over to pricing. I am getting a paid version of it, and right here you can either choose monthly or annual. Obviously the annual is going to be cheaper, and if you click on monthly it's going to be a little bit higher. So choose whichever is best for you. For me, I'm going to get the annual plan. I know that I'm going to be putting up a bunch of courses. I've used Teachable before as a student and I'm planning to use this for more than a year, so I'm going to do the annual plan. And if you scroll down to the bottom, they do have a free plan as well if you guys aren't ready to purchase, but I am, so I'm going to choose the basic plan for now. So I'm going to click choose this plan. Now you might already have a Teachable account, so in this case I do because I was a student of other people's courses on Teachable. So it says here, it looks like you already have an account with that email address. Please enter the password below. Alright, so right here you're going to add your school name, so you can change this at any time. I'm going to just type in Creative Business Academy. Alright, so the total is right here, that is in US dollars. Now to fill in my information. Okay, order summary, you are signing up for a Teachable basic annual plan. You will be charged annually. Okay, agree, and purchase plan. Alright, thank you for upgrading to basic. We can't wait for you to get started. Me too. So here is the plan features. So it's got all this stuff here. Custom domains, we're definitely going to be doing that. Affiliates, subscriptions, awesome. Okay, so that is how you sign up for a Teachable account. All right, so welcome to Creative Business Academy. So you've got all the stuff here. Create a course. I will be creating more tutorials on how to use Teachable. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel because I will be doing a ton of free tutorials on how to get your Teachable up and running. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.